Before installing the connecting plate, we loosen these two screws. This one also needs to be loosened. After loosening, we can see an open ring here. We need to make sure all the accessories are here. Let's start assembling. After installation, there is a ring and an enhancer. Tighten the screws. Tighten the screws and adjust the direction. Adjust the direction. After adjusting, we will tighten it again. Then we can tighten this screw. The height of these two positions should be the same. As long as they are the same. Let's tighten this screw again.